What is going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Sal. A quick rundown before we get into this video. The car behind me is a 95 M Edition. We picked it up for about $1,500 after scouring Simi Valley for about 2 hours driving up and down neighborhoods. We eventually found one, and luckily the owner was willing to sell it to us for a good price. $1,500 at the time, and still now, is a very good deal for a Miata. Unfortunately, when we brought the car home and we started digging deeper into this build, we came across a lot of issues, something that we were not completely prepared for. We got this car mainly because I wanted to teach my fiance, Alina, behind the camera, how to build cars. And when we first started with the Miata, I kind of did a majority of the work. With this one, it gave us another opportunity to try it again, part 2 basically, and Alina got her hands dirty just as much, if not more, than I did. We're super happy with the way the build came out, and hope you guys like it. Here you go. What is going on, guys? We got a special video planned out for today.
New build for the channel.
It's a 1995 M Edition.
Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Pause for a moment. We're young, but we gon' get it. Work ethic to the roof, then Nike couldn't even do it. My attitude is groovy. I swear I'm never down, cause my mind is always moving. My flow is like medicine. I could get you higher than clouds in the sky, so just put away the heroin. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just like a superhero when it comes to the music. I'm gonna heal you, and then free you. Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Pause, ain't had enough, we heading up. That's the music getting loud. Blast out the speakers so other worlds hear us. There's alien creatures, try not to with us. Yeah, living life like a sleeping dog. Dreaming of dreams, cause that's what dreamers do. Follow your dreams, you better listen, yo. With my homie Brand Chaz, yeah, we're coming through. Watch the clock tick tock while they hit the road. Branches on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah, who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah, with the positive attitude. Imagine all the things that we all could do. I said, with the positive attitude. Imagine all the things that we all could do. Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Branches on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah, who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Branches on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
We're gonna do it before and after, and I just want to see real quick just how loud it is. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. We spun a rod, something in the motor is slapping against something else.
As I look outside, all I want is just to get away one more night. My mind is always so afraid. As I look outside, all I want is just to get away one more night.
There's the first startup. See if it cranks. Yeah, we got pressure. Oh, there is pressure. Yo, we got pressure.
Yeah!
Oh man. Oh, we got an exhaust leak, that's for sure.
Sorry.
And with that, guys, that is all for the video. Now, obviously, we didn't do the seats or the seat belts and a couple other pieces on the car. I just wanted to mark 1 year of ownership. We still got plenty of things to do, but I wanted the first video basically to be brought up to what a Miata should start off as a base. So we brought everything back to OEM plus, if you will. After the next couple videos that we have following up on this car, it's going to be a version 2 where we start actually changing up the suspension and lowering it some more and just getting a little bit more crazy with it. This build is pretty mild. As far as restoration, we did all of that, but we didn't really do any customization. So in the next few months, that's going to be our goal, is to make it customized and in our image, basically. Hope you guys liked the video. If you stayed this long, make sure to leave a like, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel. We're going for 3,000 by 2022. If you guys have any suggestions of what you want to see next, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. So if you guys want to stay up to date on all the builds like the blue Miata, the BRZ, which will be going away soon to replace by another JDM vehicle, or even Alina's car, which we're just waiting on wheels, and that entire series is going to start. So if you guys want to stay up to date on all of that, go check us out on Instagram at 86goals. I believe that's all for today's video, so we'll catch you next week. Take it easy.